The countdown has begun. War 2, the much-anticipated sequel to the 2019 blockbuster, is all set to hit the big screen on 14th August 2025. Directed by Ayan Mukherjee, this high-octane addition to the YRF spy universe stars Hrithik Roshan, Kiara Advani, and Junior NTR. The trailer has already teased jaw-dropping action, intense drama, and slick visuals, but there's also a lot happening behind the scenes when it comes to the cast and crew's salaries. Making his much-awaited Bollywood debut, Junior NTR is reportedly charging a whopping 60 crore rupees for War 2. That's a massive jump from the 45 crore rupees he earned for RRR. Hrithik Roshan reprises his fan-favorite role as Major Kabir Dhaliwal, the suave spy who stole the show in the first film. For War 2, his reported fee stands at 48 crore rupees, his highest yet for a YRF film. Joining the spy universe opposite Hrithik, Kiara Advani is reportedly earning around 15 crore rupees. Reportedly her highest fee so far, marking a major milestone in her career. Popular TV actor Shabbir Ahluwalia also joins the cast in a supporting role. While details about his character remain under wraps, sources suggest his fee is somewhere between rupees 30 to 35 lakh. Ayan Mukherjee makes a genre leap. After building the fantasy world of Brahmastra, Ayan Mukherjee is now venturing into the action thriller space. He's reportedly being paid 32 crore rupees, placing him among the highest paid directors in the industry today. War 2 has been shot across Spain, Italy, Abu Dhabi, Russia, Japan, and India, with a staggering 200 crore rupees budget, making it one of the costliest action films ever made in India. War 2 is set to release in cinemas on 14th August 2025 in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Kannada. Are you excited for War 2? Let us know in the comments. The romantic musical Abir Gulal, starring Fawad Khan and Vaani Kapoor, has undergone some major changes after it was indefinitely postponed earlier this year. Originally scheduled to release worldwide on 9th May, the film was pushed back following the tragic Pahalgam attack in April. While its Indian release was completely banned, the global premiere was also delayed with no clear date. Now, the film has a new title, Abir Gulal, and a fresh release date. According to the official Instagram handle, Abir Gulal will be released worldwide, except in India, on 29th August. The new poster featuring Fawad and Vaani was released along with the announcement. Interestingly, all promotional content, including trailers on YouTube, remain unavailable for Indian audiences due to ongoing tensions between the two countries. The YouTube synopsis describes Abir Gulal as a feel-good, fiery romance about unexpected connections, second chances, and learning to make space for love, no matter how messy, inconvenient, or magical it may be. Vaani Kapoor recently spoke about the controversy surrounding the film's ban in India during the promotions of her web series debut, Mandala Murders. She said, "I don't think anybody's intention was to hurt anyone's sentiment. The film was made to spread love. Unfortunately, all it got was hate, but it was shot at a very different time. It's unfortunate about the whole attack that happened, but the film was shot way earlier when there were no issues. The producers took all the permissions that had to be taken. But after the attacks, all of us, the team and I, we all respected and understood the sentiment of the nation. We always have abided by the laws. It's nothing that one has become rogue and gone against what our laws expect us to do. One has put the sentiment of the nation first. Shot in London, Abir Gulal also stars Riddhi Dogra, Lisa Hayden, Farida Jalal, Soni Razdan, Parmeet Sethi, and Rahul Vohra. While fans in India will have to wait, the film's worldwide release is now set for 29th August. What do you think about the film's delay and ban? Let us know in the comments. Mrinal Thakur has finally broken her silence on the ongoing dating rumors linking her to Tamil superstar Dhanush. The son of Sardar 2 actress has been in the spotlight lately after being seen with Dhanush at several public events, leading to intense media and fan speculation about a possible romance. From attending wrap-up parties to appearing together at film screenings, the duo's frequent sightings fueled widespread buzz. However, Mrinal has now addressed the rumors head-on, putting much of the speculation to rest. In a recent interview, Mrinal said, "I'm aware that a lot of news has been circulating about the two of us being linked together recently. I just found it funny when I saw it." She clarified that Dhanush is just a good friend. The actress also responded to the chatter surrounding Dhanush's presence at the Son of Sardar 2 screening. Contrary to reports, she revealed that it wasn't her who invited him. It was Ajay Devgan who extended the invitation, Mrinal revealed, adding that no one should read too much into his presence at the event. So, how did these dating rumors begin? Speculation took off when Mrinal attended the wrap-up party for Dhanush's upcoming film Tere Ishq Mein, directed by Anand L. Rai. Their brief interaction at the Son of Sardar 2 screening, where Dhanush was photographed holding her hand, only added fuel to the fire. The gossip intensified further when Mrinal began following Dhanush's sisters on Instagram. Some media outlets even claimed the pair were trying to keep their alleged relationship private. However, with Mrinal's latest comments, those claims appear to have been firmly dismissed, at least for now. For those unfamiliar, Dhanush was previously married to director Aishwarya Rajnikant, the elder daughter of superstar Rajnikant. The couple, who share two sons, Linga and Yatra, parted ways in 2022 after 18 years of marriage. For now, it seems that the connection between Mrinal Thakur and Dhanush is purely platonic, and, in Mrinal's words, the dating rumors are just a bit of harmless fun at the media's expense. Fresh faces are taking over Bollywood and fans are loving it. Ahan Pandey, Aneet Padda, and Abhay Varma are just a few of the rising stars who have made a big splash with their debut films. Abhay Varma won hearts with the 2024 hit Munja, which made over 100 crore rupees at the box office. And Aneet Padda is winning over audiences in Sayara, alongside Ahan Pandey. The film is still going strong, earning 319.85 crore rupees in India in just 25 days. But wait, fans recently rediscovered something adorable that's sending the internet into a frenzy. An old advertisement featuring Aneet Padda and Abhay Varma together has gone viral, and it's got everyone asking for more. In the video, the two are in what looks like a music class. Aneet holds a cello bow and pops a bubble from her gum. Abhay, holding a saxophone, watches her, then playfully pretends to play a chocolate bar like it's an instrument. He offers it to Aneet, who enjoys the bubble gum flavor. The moment is simple, sweet, and full of charm, and fans can't get enough. One fan said, "Oh, this cute, would love to see them together more." Another wrote, "Simomon makers now, it's high time to write cute rom-coms with these fresh faces who can act. Audience would love to watch them. Now I want to see these two in a rom-com," added one more fan. Others chimed in with, "Abhay and Aneet needs to do a rom-com soon. And this is what we want to see as future of Bollywood. So happy for both of them and looking forward to seeing whatever film they are in." Another fan summed it up perfectly. Both had such amazing debuts that not only were good movies but also did really well at the box office. Hope to see more of both of these guys. So, will we see this adorable duo in a rom-com soon? Fingers crossed.